Good morning, everyone. This is Daniel Lat reporting for Manny Pacquiao's jogging a while ago. Unfortunately, we didn't catch him up because he headed in a restaurant. According to one of his spokesperson. And right now, I invited one of his spokesperson to tell us more information about his jogging this morning. Good morning, Mr. Aaron Lat.
Good morning.
I would like to ask you something about Manny Pacquiao's jogging this morning. Why did you have this jogging?
He had this jogging for his training this afternoon. He just had his warm-up exercise.
Okay, thank you. You mean that's just a warm-up exercise? It's not really the exercise that you will make.
Yes.
Oh, it's
just
really
warm-up.
tough. Thank you. Can you contact him up so we can have more information about his jogging?
Let me just call him correct.
Thank you.
Ano naman ni Pacquiao? There's someone here who wants to interview you.
Okay. Hello, Manny Pacquiao. Yeah, I would like to ask something from you. We would make it fast because it's somehow raining here, and we need to go. So, Mr. Manny Pacquiao, I would like to ask this question. Why did you have this jogging this morning? Can you give us some information about why you had your jogging, knowing that you don't have any fight or something to get ready with?
Good morning, Daniel. Yes, I am here at a restaurant. I am eating my breakfast because I'm really hungry because of my jogging last morning. Well, even though I still don't have any fight, I still have to maintain my physical fitness, for better health. Because next time I am planning to fight with Big Show, because as far as I know, he is the biggest man alive. So actually, before I am planning to fight with Big Show, actually I want to fight with Flash Elorde, but unfortunately he's already dead. So never mind.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Manny Pacquiao. I would like to thank also Mr. Aaron for giving us the opportunity to talk with Mr. Pacquiao.
You're welcome.
And once again, I'm Daniel Lat, back to studio.